guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my summer empties. This bin is completely filled to the top. So today's a little different. I have a cold, so this makeup I've been wearing forever, kind of worn off around my nose because I'm all sniffly. We have some piping hot tea. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it. We've got, it's like a almond nut blend of tea, and we have a wild puppy, which I have a feeling this really hot tea is going to be on my lap by the end of this, because she keeps weaving in and out of the table that it's sitting on, and it keeps moving, so I feel like it's gonna tip over. So yes, we have my rambunctious 3.5-year-old puppy. Stop it! Hey! Oh my god, trying to eat everything in here. She's been chewing on some toys, so if you hear that in the background, I'm sorry. It's just the situation I'm in right now. My fiance is at work. It's Friday night. He's at a work dinner. So it's just me and the pup. So I thought I would film and just drink my tea and relax with you guys and go through my empties. So let's get started. Okay, first big thing on top is this Wild Hibiscus Sangria Reed Diffuser. This is by Opal House, which is a new brand in Target. I really like this scent. It is somewhat hibiscusy, but more fruity. It's really nice. It gives off a lot of scent. It's very potent, so it's great. I have it in my master bathroom right now. I had the Sweet Sangria by Bella Illume or Lume from Target, the Reed Diffuser, in my bathroom. That ran out, so I replaced it with this, so that's why I just have the box. Oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, so yes, I like this. I'm going to repurchase. On top we have two mitts, my tried and true Loving tanning mitt. I love this thing, have repurchased many times. And then I tried this one by Kula. It's interesting because it has the side for the tanning mousse, and then it has this side, which is super rough. Kind of reminds me of like a woven rug, which is really weird, but it's true. This is to wipe your tan off or exfoliate it off, sorry. This was okay. This portion is still really scratchy, so it wasn't so comfortable, whereas this one is very velvety and plush and feels very nice on the skin. This I won't repurchase just because there are other mitts that are the same price that are better, but if I was in a pinch, I wouldn't mind using this. It wasn't the absolute worst. I never used this side because I didn't really want to get this wet, if that makes sense. I don't know. I just never used it. Let's take a sip of this tea. It's finally cooling down. Oh my god, so good. So good. It's by Capital Teas, which I think might just be a Maryland company. But if I can find this, I will link it down below. It's really good. Okay, candles. We'll only do a few of these and save them for the second part. I am going to be doing this in 2 parts. So let's just do a couple and then get into like some bath and makeup-y products. So first one is Paris Daydream City of Love by Bath & Body Works. They don't make this anymore, so I just wanted to use this up. I had a ton of them. It says blend of watery notes, moss, and mandarin, which is really random, but it smells really nice. Too bad they don't make it anymore. That was like a signature for me. This I love. This is a new scent at Target. I don't know if they still have it, but they did in the summer. It's called Crystal Flora. This smells so good. Very reminiscent of a candle that Glade came out with, like 3 Christmases ago. Oh, I love it. All right, a little baby one here. This is by Weston, like the hotel brand. This is white tea, which is what the scent of their hotels are. I got these on Amazon just because we used to live near Weston and would go in it all the time. It just smelled so good. I really like this. I have one downstairs in my kitchen right now. Okay, so I have makeup wipes right on top. These are the Makeup Melt oil-free makeup remover wipes with chamomile by Bliss. I like these. I'm going through a pack right now, but I am steering away from makeup wipes. I now am loving, absolutely loving the makeup eraser towels. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I did a comparison of using the makeup eraser on one side of my face and using my Tatcha cleansing oil and a wet washcloth on the other side. And if you want to see the results, check out the video. We have 2 bottles of, actually 3 bottles of tanner. In here we have dark, ultra dark, and another dark. I like to combine these. I'm not sure why. I really like the dark on my legs. I don't need the ultra dark on my legs. My legs get dark enough with just dark. And then on my body, if I want to be really tan, I'll use this. But if I want a really good tan but a little less than this, I'll just mix the two. So that's why I have all of these. Loving Tan is the best stuff out there. So good. I have a couple of lashes in here. We have my tried and true Wispies by Eyelure. These are the 117s. I love these so much. But a new lash that I love is the Ardell Demi Wispies, the Studio Effects. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's a little heavier of a lash, but still has that really nice Demi Wispy flare. The Studio Effects, it says they're pro-designed layered lashes. So they are so nice. They're different than the regular Demi Wispies. These just have a little bit more oomph to them. They're so good. I have 2 Milani powders in here. Millie's barking. No, Millie! These are the translucent light to medium powders. I love these. I'm working on another one right now. They are so good. I actually have some that it looks like I can actually get some more out of this. So I'm gonna put this to the side, see if I can get the rest of that out. But I really like this. I'm wearing it right now and it's lasted me throughout the day. And please excuse my dog for barking. I don't know what she wants. She has everything she could need right now, but yet she insists on bothering me. I have 2 masks right here. This first one's by Karuna. This is the exfoliating face mask. This is a sheet mask. This is okay. I got this in a pack at TJ Maxx. Not bad, not the greatest. They're okay. Something I'm obsessed with though are these. So I love the original Watermelon Glow Mask by Glow Recipe. This one is the same thing but in a jelly sheet mask form. Love this so much. So good. I highly recommend them. Really great for hydration. Okay, I finished up a bottle of the Klorane Shampooing Sec, which is their dry shampoo. This is my holy grail dry shampoo. It is so dang good. In here I also have my Ariana Grande perfume. I can't remember which one this is, but this was part of my Project Pan, which if you're not familiar with that, go to my playlist, my Project Pan playlist, and you can find out what it is and you can find out all about it. But this was in there. I'm so happy I finished it. Then we have these 2 bad boys right here. These are the NYX Micro Brow Pencils in Ash Brown. My tried and true brow pencil. Wearing it right now. I buy these like crazy. I love this stuff so much. Always have a backup. So good. Love it. Next up are the wipes I get from TJ Maxx just to wipe my hands when I'm doing swatches and stuff like that. These are by Beauty Concepts. It's the Lime and Vitamin E. Right now I'm using the Vitamin C Antioxidant Lemon ones. Then something I finished, but it didn't really last that long, is the NYX The Skinny Mascara. This is great for the lower lash line since it is so thin, but it dried up really fast. So I might try another one and see if it was just this one that dried up really fast or if that's just how they roll, but at the beginning it was really good. 2 more items and then I'll save the rest for part 2. I finished up a Farsali Unicorn Essence. I really like this stuff. I've gone into the Smashbox Primer Water for right now. I've really been loving that, but this is really good. It smells sweet like candy and it's pink, really cute. This is some good stuff. Leaves like a nice tacky texture on the skin so that makeup really adheres to the skin. Really good. And then this took a long time for me to go through, and I'm kind of sad that I went through it. This was expensive, but I literally wiped it clean. This is the Tatcha Water Cream, and this is a really great moisturizer, especially if you have oily skin. It's a water-based gel cream, so not super oily and not super thick, but it's still really hydrating on the skin. So, I really, really like this. It's really pricey, but it's worth it. Okay guys, that is everything for today's Empties video. Stay tuned for part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later guys. Bye.